Well, hello there. My name's Jennifer McQuaid. I've been asked to give a review about Pop-On Veneers. I've been searching around for something for years, you know. I've been to dentists, and of course, I mean, they want to charge a fortune. And, yeah, I'm just looking for something temporary or, cosmetically. And so I settled on the Pop-On Veneers. I figured I'd give them a shot. The process was relatively easy, straightforward. You know, they mail you a box like this. You get it in the mail. And, when it arrives, they'll walk you through making a mold of your teeth. You just stick something, solution in your mouth, bite down, and send it back to the company. So within a couple of weeks, you get your new veneers. That being said, I really didn't know what to expect. A little bit of nervous, a little bit excited. Um, but yeah, they showed up and I was so pleasantly surprised because actually they felt kind of comfortable in my mouth. And, so anyways, I popped them right in and I haven't smiled in years, but I popped them in and I had a few people coming over my house, to visit, whatever. And oh my God, the first thing they're like, "Oh my God, what did you do to yourself?" And I'm like, "What? What did I do?" And they couldn't really put their finger on it, but they knew something changed. She said, "Like you're glowing, whatever." And of course, it was due to the new teeth. So yeah, that really surprised me. And I said, "Oh my God, well these things are worth it." They're relatively inexpensive considering, what they normally charge for teeth. And I've just been so pleased with them. So part of doing this video is, they want me to show you how easy it is to pop them in, take them out, whatever. So I'm not going to do both sets because I have top and bottom, but I'm just going to do the top for now. You just pop them out and that's it, So as you can tell, I get terrible teeth. So this hides it very well. And then I just pop them back in and I'm ready to go. So, if you got that important date, you want to, impress someone or whatever, it's a wonderful opportunity. I say go for it, but, it's your choice. Anyways, that's my review. Thank you so much, Pop-On. Bye-bye.